Bonjour! Hello! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I don't know about you guys, but in my neck of the woods, it's still summer break. These kids are still at home and orientation is later on this week, and then September 4th is when everybody starts school. So I just like to give honor to God for bringing this family through another summer vacation, and we are on the other side, and I can't wait to slap them on their butts. Bye kids, have fun at school, learn lots, love you. Bye. So you know I'm trying to get my feet wet into the whole like makeup tutorials and stuff, and I'm still not really that comfortable with it because there's a whole lot of stuff. So I'm gonna get some new brushes so you don't see my raggedy Amazon 2-cent special brushes, even though low-key the brushes that I ordered look exactly like a very popular YouTuber who just released a whole brush collection. Like my brushes look the same, and you know they all come from the same spot, so no tea, no shade. Actually, speaking of a little shade, I love BoxyCharm, and I get BoxyCharm subscriptions every month. And it comes with all these wonderful things. I haven't even opened them up yet because I was gonna do an unboxing video, but I don't even really wanna do one anymore because in my BoxyCharm was this palette, and it's called the Party Animal palette, and I didn't even take the stuff off yet. But anyway, it's Laura Lee. And I kept seeing on Instagram hashtags Laura Lee, like something was going on. So I was like, let me find out what's going on. And girl, and I watched like everybody else watches, and it was very interesting to me, so I said, well, dang, what am I gonna do with this palette? So you swatch it, and look. How about this? Okay. The only color out of all of these colors that look great and show up wonderful to me is the purple. This yellow is, girl, you tried it. So I will stick to my trusty, always true, vibrant, as the day is long, Juvia's palette. I actually use Morocco on my cheeks. So anyway, today is a wig review. Obviously, you can tell from the title, but I wanted to talk about my delving into the beauty guru world. And you know what? There is a lot of strong feelings about makeup brands and makeup influencers that I really did not, I guess I didn't pay too much attention to it because the people who I watch are pretty drama free. I guess there's a lot of drama. Of course, this is a WowAfrican wig, you know, that's all I wear. And I was blown away by the hairline. So what I did was, I just went through with this foaming mousse from Cream of Nature, and I used this Edge Get Your Life Together brush. What is it called? The Ever's Edge brush. I already cut the lace, so we can go ahead and streamline this video and plop this bad boy on and get to styling it. Although I can already tell I'm gonna love it. There's nothing I'm gonna probably do except maybe add a little bit more mousse and water in the back so I can get those curls, you know, a little bit more wet looking. But here is the hair. Natural black. Very, very pretty, pretty, pretty. This hair that I'm wearing right now, I have already done a review for it, but I will definitely put the information in the description box. Alright, y'all, boom. Just call me Teresa Judice. I haven't secured her down yet because I'm still trying to figure out what I want going on. I thought I would try something different and have a middle part, but maybe I just don't have the hair for it. Something looks off to me. When I secure her down, I think that is when I'm going to figure out what I want, what I want to do. But I love her volume, and I love this curl pattern. Oh, it's like my favorites. Okay, so it's on, but we're gonna try to mask the screen door effect of the lace by putting a little bit of pressed powder in, and also to counterbalance the shininess. Sometimes you're heavy-handed and you put too much glue, and now you got LaToya Jackson edges. So the hair is on and it's full, and it's giving me level up tease. This reminds me of the hair she wore in her video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tame a little bit by using a little bit of water and leave-in condition and spray, and then some mousse, and Ah, there we go. But not too much, because I don't want to lose the volume, even though the volume is going to come back when it's completely dry. You ever look in the mirror and realize you ain't got no neck? Now that it's on, it's the curl. Okay, let me tell you about it. It's a 360-degree lace cap construction where the middle is super stretchy, and then like you have all this parting space around the whole perimeter of the wig. So if you wanted to put it up in a ponytail, you could. 150 density, so it is super thick, super big. Volume is out to here. That Milan Curl girl, 20 inches, so she's long, and I'm 5'4", so she's right here on me. Why am I so short? But she stretches out tailbone. It has been the summer of curly hair. I love curly hair. I love my curly units. But most importantly, I like taking them off at the end of the day because it's hot outside. It's still hot. Although it's cooling down, I'm ready for the weather to cool down. I'm ready for the kids to go back to school. All the information about this hair is going to be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to check out this new review. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.